Crispy potato cubes are the perfect side dish that's quick, easy, and delicious. Let's dive in and make some. You'll need 4 medium-sized potatoes, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, salt, and pepper to taste. Start by peeling your potatoes and cutting them into even-sized cubes. Keeping them uniform helps them cook evenly. Bring a pot of salted water to a boil and blanch the potato cubes for 3 to 4 minutes. This quick boil will help soften the potatoes just a bit and give you that perfect crispy outside later. Drain the potatoes well and let them dry for a few minutes. The drier they are, the crispier they'll get. In a large bowl, toss the potato cubes with olive oil, garlic powder, paprika, salt, and pepper. Make sure each cube is well coated with the seasoning mix. Spread the potatoes on a baking sheet in a single layer. Bake in a preheated oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit, 220 degrees Celsius for about 25 to 30 minutes, flipping halfway through. Keep an eye on them until they're golden brown and crispy. And there you have it, crispy, golden potato cubes that are perfect as a side dish or a snack. Serve them hot and enjoy every crunchy bite.